This is my neglected 8th Gen Civic SI, and in today's video, we're going to be turning the slow turd into a decent powered daily driver. What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today, we have something that I've been holding on for quite a little bit, and it's not necessarily because I wanted to, but I wanted to enjoy the car and its full stock potential. But now I think it's time that we finally change that. Excuse the windows being purple. Wow, it actually looks more purple on camera than it does in person, but we are finally putting Hondata on the 8th Gen Civic SI. Now, if you guys remember when I bought this car, it did have Hondata on it, but that was the only time that I ever got to drive it with Hondata, and that was like at least a few months ago. So it's been a little bit of time, and I've been driving it completely stock for the past few weeks or a few months, and now it's time to finally change that. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. This is the Bluetooth version, which you guys can see is smaller. So I'm gonna show you guys pretty much how I do it without a laptop, because I do everything without a laptop because I don't own a laptop. So I'm gonna show you guys how I pretty much put it on the thing itself, and then how I upload it to the car. So essentially what I do when I get in the car, I'm obviously gonna plug it in. So let me just do that real quick. So as you can see, I got it plugged in, and pretty much all I do is once it's uploaded, I'll just hit program, hold that for like 5 seconds, it'll bleep red, then you know it's doing its thing. If you had a second map, you would hold both program and data log, and then let go of program, and then it'll upload the second one. But now as you see, it's doing its thing. It's uploading the tune to the car. As you can see, the RPMs are going up, which is a good sign. So you know it's doing its thing. Once the RPMs reset back down, then you pretty much know that your tune is done, which you guys really can't see there. But once RPMs reset, then you know your tune is done. But yeah, I'm gonna let this do its thing, and I'll be right back. Now this car is completely stock, no headers, no exhaust, no intake. So I do have the completely stock tuned version, if you guys saw that from the last one. From the last clip. It should feel a little bit better. I know it gets rid of rev hang and some couple other stuff, but looks like it's all done now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. I still gotta figure out why it's not starting 100%. I haven't figured that out yet. But yeah, pretty much the car is gonna warm up for a little bit. I know I haven't been able to upload as much as I want to. I do want to apologize for that and say I am sorry. I've just been extremely busy at work with a new job, having to do get comfortable to a new job, and it's pretty much just been a learning experience there. So that's been pretty much taking a majority of my time, and then obviously the holidays are coming out, so spending time with family and stuff like that. But moving forward, hopefully after when the new year starts, 2026, we're gonna bring bangers for you guys. We got a lot of things I want to do to this car. Obviously I want a K24 swap it. That was my main goal for this car, and then you know we'll see where it kind of goes from there. But the main reason why I wanted to keep this car and get this car again is because I wanted to learn how to swap it. Learn how to swap any kind of engine, though it is kind of pretty much the same engine. I wanted to learn how to do that. So like I said, I'm gonna let the car warm up for a little bit, and then I'll see you guys in just a second. See how she feels. It should give me a better throttle response as well, so I'm kind of hoping for that. Again, excuse the purple mirrors, they're just gonna have to do for now until I take them off and retint this car. Definitely feels better in the throttle response. God, this thing needs an exhaust, bro. Definitely more peppier though, and I like that. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm getting over a cold, so excuse me. But she feels good. It's so funny because this car is like low-key kind of slow, but it just brings all the right funs. And did you guys hear VTEC kick in? Let's see if I can do it again. guys can hear VTEC kick in. But it feels fun. Oh my god. There's just something about driving a slow car fast that just feels so right. You know what I mean? I don't know if that's the same with you guys. She feels good though. I do want to get a short shifter, so I'm gonna hit up a QD, try to get one of those. Obviously I do want to get an exhaust. I want to get headers, but I know my last setup I had Skunk 2 headers. I might get something that's a little bit more quieter in, say. I know that's the best one that everyone gets, but I might get something that's a little bit more just a high flow, because I think this thing with just an exhaust will be good. But I mean, if you guys kind of know me, all my cars are loud. I don't think I've had a single quiet car in terms of like JDM cars. Like, dude, I even put a freaking exhaust on my Lexus, on my GX 470 when I had it. So I mean, it wasn't loud, but I just can't keep a car quiet. I feel like an engine needs to be heard. I kind of want to take this car to the canyons, but honestly, at the right height that it's at right now, that won't fly. I'll have to raise it 100%. And I would want better tires too. Yeah, the throttle response is way better. Even just normal driving, this thing feels good. And the car handles surprisingly good, even though it's pretty much pretty low. I mean, there's no crazy camber, but there's also no camber corrections. God, I forgot how much fun it was to drive this car. I feel like with the last one, if you guys were here for the first FA5, I may have built that car probably a little bit too fast to where I got bored with it pretty fast, if that kind of makes sense. Like, I didn't really get to enjoy that car as much as I wanted to, and I kind of wish I did, because driving this one completely stock is fun. Had to stop by 7-Eleven to get me a little energy drink, a little pick-me-up. Yeah. If you guys remember, I used to drink Red Bulls, and sometimes I drink a Ghost too, but I feel like these Alanis are pretty good too. It's definitely giving a girl vibe, seeing how colorful it is, but I mean, who cares, huh? But yeah, this car feels really good. Actually, it feels 10 times better. Probably the way that it should have came from Honda stock, but obviously there's like emissions and stuff like that that they have to follow. But I'm actually super excited on how this thing feels. Obviously, once we get headers and an intake and an exhaust and everything, we'll be able to tune it right, but for now, this will do. I gotta get some smaller tires too. I'm rubbing a bit. I know that you guys will be like, oh, just raise it. I don't want to raise it. Still has rev hang. This car is so fun, dude. Like, I don't know what it is. Just driving a slow car fast just feels fun. And it's so raw. I can't get over that feeling. Like, I remember having my FK8 and it just felt like it was assisted in some way. This car just feels 100% so raw. It's actually such a good feeling. I still got to do an interior clean on this car. Oh, I did as much as I could in one video, but I want to do the whole wet vacuum on the seats and everything. Cause there's like I mean, I kind of hate to admit this, but there's a weird stench in this car ever since I bought it. And I can't quite figure it out. I left the windows open. I'm so glad I got this car again. Like, now I get to build it at my pace, at what I want to do. You know, I'm not gonna rush anything. I'm still gonna try to put out as much videos as I can for you guys, but I'm not gonna rush uploading. But yeah, if you guys are thinking about putting Hondata on your 8-gen, 100%, I mean, I always say do it. It just makes the car feels more awake, and it feels more proper, if that makes any sense. Like, a little rubbish. You can hear those gears. They're a little loudy. This car needs an exhaust next. I think that's what's next for this car. Needs some sound. Like I said, man, building at my own pace, not trying to rush anything. Sorry for the delay of content. Like I said, it's just holidays and just trying to catch up with stuff like that, you know. I'm taking my time away, but I promise you guys I will start uploading a lot more. Probably get a lot more POV videos for you guys too. Who knows, maybe I'll get tired of this stance life and raise it a bit and take it to the canyons. I mean, who really knows? Should I do a first gear pull? First gear pull for the boys. Gotcha. It just wakes the car up. It's like nothing crazy, but it just feels so good. I don't know, I can't explain it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's probably not super long, but I just wanted to kind of explain my Hondata to you guys. But I just kind of wanted to get this video out because I haven't had the Hondata on this car since I've had it. Only the first day, and then I had to take it off for smog, so that's why I haven't had it on here. But we're back, boys. We're back to making content. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe if you guys have not already. We are like 6 subscribers away from hitting 6K, so help your boy out. We're trying to definitely hit that before the end of the year. We're trying to grind this year, man. The last few years I've taken them off and haven't really been 100% on uploading, but 2026 I just want to go ham and go crazy, be consistent, make dope videos for you guys, and just have some dope content. I don't want to talk too much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what kind of video I should make for you guys and what kind of videos you guys want to see done to the 8 Gen. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Dab, peace.